Dear students, welcome back. I'm here with one more illustration on a hire purchase, that is illustration number 4. So let us see this illustration. On 1st January 2015, Mayuri Travels purchased two motor car costing rupees 4,50,000 each from Vijaya Motors under hire purchase basis. The terms of payment were: point number 1, 25% of cash value is to be payable on as a down payment. So that means 25% of cash value is to be paid as a down payment. So balance amount is to be payable in 4 equal annual installment of rupees 2,12,943. So here the installment money, whatever we are supposed to pay, that should be paid in equal 4 annual installment of rupees 2,12,943 on 31st December every year. So on 31st December every year. Point number 3, clearly they speaks about Vijaya Motors charged interest at 10% per annum, and Mayuri Travels charged depreciation on motor cars at 15% per annum. So under diminishing balance method, prepare necessary ledger account. So this is the problem. Now we are supposed to do the solution. Okay, so here one thing you have to understand. See, in the third illustration, the installment money was different from each year. First year installment money was different, second year installment money was different, third year different, and fourth year different. Correct? In the problem number 3 I am speaking, in the illustration number 3. So that is why to calculate interest, what was the formula we used? Yes, that is installment money. That is installment money we used to consider to calculate the interest by applying the formula. What was the formula? Interest equals installment amount into percentage divided by 100 plus percentage. Correct? So this formula should be applied when the installment money is differ from year after year. So if there is a change in installment money every year, so we should apply that formula, that is 15 divided by 100 and 100 plus 15. That is nothing but percentage divided by 100 plus percentage. But when in the illustration 4, the installment money, that is 2,12,943 is common for all the 4 years. So when the installment money remains same, so we don't do any addition. It is going to be a flat calculation. What is that flat calculation? Percentage divided by 100. That's all. Clear? So interest equals percentage divided by 100 with the installment money. Okay, so let us look into that so that you can understand more clearly. So but you have to keep it in your mind one point: when installment money with interest is varies from year after year, so the formula will be applied percentage divided by 100 plus percentage. But when it installment money remains constant, direct the normal calculation. So there is no any special formula to be used. Okay, so let us look at the working note solution. Working note: calculation of cash price of motor car when the interest is included in the installment amount. So what is the formula we are going to apply? So that is the installment into percentage. So if they have given 15% interest, have 15%. If 10% they have given, directly take 10%. Okay, so now let us calculate the value of two motor cars. So because in the problem, how many motor cars has been purchased? 2 motor cars. Correct? So 2 motor cars value how much? So 2 motor cars value is 4,50,000 each motor car. So 4,50,000 each motor car means 4,50,000 into 2 divide 2. So that has comes to 9 lakh rupees. Clear? So which has been given in the working note here, that is 4,50,000 into 2, 9 lakh. Then less down payment. How much the down payment has to be paid? 9 lakh into 25 divided by 100. So that comes to 2,25,000. So that comes to 2,25,000. Okay. So now balance amount to be paid in installments. The rest will be paid in installment. Clear? How much? 6,75,000. So that should be paid in installment. So let us calculate with the table. So open the table and give the heading for the table, calculation of interest and net installment money. So we are going to calculate here interest plus net installment money. So obviously the table will be go in a reverse order. Okay, so take down. So it is with the 4 column. Year, installment in rupees, interest calculation, net installment, excluding interest. So let us do the calculation now. So on 31st/12/2018, first year which I have taken here, 31st/12/2018, what is the installment money? 2,12,943, correct? So 2,12,943 as given. So here you have to keep one thing in your mind. So here in this calculation, we will do the calculation in a reverse order. So as I said, 4th year, then we have a 3rd year, then we have a 2nd year, then we have a 1st year. Clear? Look at the table. 31st/12/2018, 31st/12/2017, 31st/12/2016, 31st/12/2015. Okay. So when the installment money is constant, so there is a small change in the calculation. What is the change? So go to the first year column, that is 31st/12/2015. Okay, so let us move to the 31st/12/2015. So what is the interest amount, sorry, installment amount we are paying? 2,12,943, correct? So take that 2,12,943. For interest calculation, here we know the cash price. How much the cash price? So that is 9 lakh, out of which how much we have already cleared? How much we have already cleared with the down payment 25%. So we have cleared 2,25,000. So which the balance 6,75,000 we have to pay it in a installment. So that is fixed installment. So that is 2,12,943. So we know the balance is 6,75,000 into 10 divided by, that is the rate of interest, 10 divided by 100. So that comes to 67,500. How much? 67,500. So 6,75,000, whatever the amount we have. So for that, if you calculate 10%, 67,500 is the interest. And how much we are paying? So first installment 2,12,943 minus 67,500. So net installment money paid is 1,45,443. Okay, from the bottom I have started. Next 31st/12/2016, second year. Again installment is 2,12,943 because installment money is fixed. It is not going to change. Out of 6,75,000, how much the money has been cleared in the first year? So that is net installment 1,45,443. So deduct that 6,75,000 minus 1,45,443. So the left out amount is 5,29,557. So into 10 divided by 100, we are going to get 52,956. How much? 52,956. So out of 2,12,943 minus 52,956, what is the net installment money paid? It comes to 1,59,987. So go to the third year, that is 31st/12/2017. 2,12,943 again is the third year installment. So what was the balance amount we were supposed to pay payable in the second year? Look at 5,29,557. That is on the money which we have calculated interest. So take that money 5,29,557 minus in the second year how much the net installment paid? 1,59,987. Correct. So 1,59,987. So if you deduct that, you are going to get a net balance is 3,69,570 on that 10% interest, and so that you are going to get 36,957. Clear? So now out of 2,12,943 minus 36,957, so the net installment, it comes to 1,75,986. How much? 1,75,986. So go to the fourth year, that is 31st 12/2018. So installment money same 2,12,943. So take down the interest calculated amount from the third year, that is 3,69,570 minus net amount paid in the third year 1,75,986. Balance is 1,93,584. If you calculate 10%, it comes to 19,358. Okay, so 19,358. So that actually comes 19,358 point and all. So I have reduced that figure because that point figure will bring small difference. So anyways, if you deduct that 19,358, so the balance will remain 1,93,584 in the last year. Okay, so now if you total net installment excluding interest, that is 1,93,584 plus 1,75,986 plus 1,59,987 plus 1,45,443, you are going to get a total of 6,75,000, and installment paid is 8,51,772. So the difference of these two, you are going to get 1,76,772, which is interest amount. Clear? So this is the working note which I have given here, but this table is not required actually speaking, because I have already introduced this method. I thought of using this table. So without annuity table also you can prepare when the installment money is constant and the rate of interest also constant. Okay, so let us look into it how to solve now. Okay, open motor car account. So with 6 columns, that is date, particulars, rupees, date, particulars, rupees. Okay, so let us calculate now. So whenever we start with the motor car account, I said many times, we always start from the debit side. Okay, so debit side 1/1/2015 to hire vendor account. How much the motor car value? 9 lakh rupees. That is correct. So year end credit card side, that is 31st 12/2015. By depreciation account, what is the depreciation amount? Percentage has been given 15%. So 9 lakh into 15 divided by 100. That comes to how much? Depreciation 1,35,000. So deducted 9 lakh minus 1,35,000. So balance carried down will be 7,65,000 on the credit side. So total both the side 9 lakh and 9 lakh. Okay. Next opening date, the closing balance of the last year will be the opening balance for the 2016. That is balance carried down of 2015 will be balance brought down of 2016. So 1/1/2016 on the debit side, to balance brought down 7,65,000. So again credit side 31st 12/2016 by depreciation account 7,65,000 into 15 divided by 100. So that comes to 1,14,750 as a depreciation. So then find out the balance carried down, that is 7,65,000 minus 1,14,750. So difference you are going to get 6,50,250. Now both the side total 7,65,000, 7,65,000. Next coming to third year 1/1/2017, to balance brought down 6,50,250. 31st 12/2017 credit side by depreciation account 97,538. 15% if you calculate on 6,50,250. So the difference is balance carried down 5,52,712. So next total it both the side 6,50,250, 6,50,250 rupees. So next 1/1/2018, to balance brought down 5,52,712. So 31st 12 2018, by depreciation account 5,52,712 into 15 divided by 100, that comes to 82,907. So deduct 5,52,712 minus 82,907, balance carried down will be 4,69,805. And since I have to end up the problem with 4 installment, so I'm going to end up here. So next year I'm going to brought down the balance and leave it. That is on 1/1/2019, 2 balance brought down. How much? 4,69,805. So just enter that amount and leave just like that. Okay. So we are done with motor car account, and now here we are going to do a Vijaya Motors account. So now while preparing Vijaya Motors account, so we always start from the credit side. Clear? So you know that we always start from the credit part. Take the opening date 1/1/2015. By motor car account, what was the cash price of the motor car? 9 lakh rupees. That is absolutely correct. Come to the debit column, that is on 1/1/2015, to bank account down payment. We have calculated in the working note 25% of the cash price to be paid as a down payment. So that is 2,25,000 rupees. So enter that amount. Again on 31st 12/2015, to bank account, what is the first installment amount he has given? That is 2,12,943. That is common for all the year, correct? So 2,12,943. But here we have not yet calculated interest. So go to the credit column and open 31st 12/2015 closing balance by interest account. So in a working note, how much we got first year, that is on 31st 12/2015, just check. So interest we got 67,500, just copy it. So both the side total comes to 9,67,500, 9,67,500. And first year balance, that is on the debit side, to balance carried down 5,29,557. Okay. So next 31st 12/2015 balance carried down will be brought down for the coming year. So that is on 1/1/2016. By balance brought down 5,29,557. So closing date to bank account, that is 31st 12/2016. Installment money remains constant, 2,12,943. So here we are calculating interest, that is 31st 12/2016 by interest account. As per the working note, second year interest will be 52,956. So both the side total 5,82,513, 5,82,513. So balance carried down will be 3,69,570. So this closing balance will be opening balance for the next year, that is on 1/1/2017 on the credit side. By balance brought down 3,69,570. And 31st 12/2017 by interest account, as per the working note, third year interest is 36,957. So here in the debit column, 31st 12/2017 to bank account 2,12,943. So 31st 12/2017 to balance carried down 1,93,584. So now on last installment, that is 1/1/2018, by balance brought down 1,93,584. And 31st 12/2018 by interest account 19,359 rupees. So both the side total 2,12,943, 2,12,943. So the total has been matched here. So there is no balance left out to do the carried down or brought down. So we are ending with the 4-year, because this problem has been designed in such a way that the installment money should get over along with the interest within 4 years. So it has been proved with this table. So next, moving further towards depreciation account and interest account. I think by this time you have understood, but still I'll do it once again. In depreciation account, we prepared in which account? So that is in motor car account. Which side? Motor car account and credit side. So depreciation account should be debited with the car account on the debit side. Okay, 31st 12/2015. So to car account 1,35,000 that should be transferred to P&L account in the credit side. So 31st 12 2016 2015 by P&L account 1,35,000. Second year 31st 12 2016 to car account 1,14,750. 31st 12 2016 by P&L account 1,14,750. 31st 12 2017 to car account 97,538. 31st 12 2017 by P&L account 97,538. 31st 12 2018 to car account 82,907, and the same will be transferred to P&L account. So 31st 12 2018 by P&L account 82,917, which has been transferred to P&L account. So the same way we are supposed to prepare an interest account. So interest account, again a date particulars rupees, date particulars rupees. So this is always we calculate in higher vendors account. So where we have credited in the higher vendors account, so interest account should be debited with the higher vendors account. 31st 12 2015 to higher vendors account. So interest we got 67,500 by P&L account with the same date 31st 12 2015 67,500. So total it again 31st 12 2016 to higher vendor account 52,956. 31st 12 2016 by P&L account 52,956. Third year 31st 12 2017 to higher vendor account 36,957. 31st 12 2017 by P&L account 36,957. So fourth year 31st 12 2018 to higher vendor account 19,359. 31st 12 2018 by P&L account 19,359. So here depreciation amount has been transferred to P&L account. Interest amount also has been transferred to P&L account. So we are done with the problem. So I will be coming soon with one more problem. Until then, see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.